Alright guys, so what we got right now, we got a little project. Got my wife's car. As you can see, she's a woman, so she be hitting them curves. We're gonna refix them, paint them, clear them, and she'll be back on the road. Come on, Pinky, come on, play, let's go.
I just don't want to make it crack something else.
We're gonna hit it with a few coats of this black paint, light coats, maybe 3 or 4. After that, we'll hit it with some clear and call it a day. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the black paint's been laid down. We got 4 coats, light coats. We're gonna hit it now with this 2K clear Glamour. I've used this before. It's always giving me good results. We're gonna give this maybe about 3 to 4 coats, about 20 minutes flash time in between. Let's get it.